So we are here right now in the food court of Gaisano Country Mall. So these are the different types of food you can choose from here. You got the fried chicken, pritong manok, ramen, torks, those ngoyongs, like quick ngoyong, and the siomai, and of course the sisig hooray. On this side, you got the Filipino cafe, Ben's Lechon, and the Korean. Then they got the Dunkin' Donuts, got no stocks, all sold out, and other different snacks. So this is located under the basement of Gaisano Country Mall near their grocery store. So this is where the people usually have their drinks, and they also where they do their events here in Gaisano Country Mall. We are now having our snacks, and we are here in Gaisano Country Mall food court. And what you're looking at here is pork sisig. Pork sisig is, this meal has rice and of course fried egg. And the pork sisig is actually deep fried pork mass. What I mean is like the face of the pork has been deep fried and mixed with chilies and ginger and all that. And with that, the Loy is also having siomai. Siomai, as you can see, is made up of steamed pork. This is the steamed pork and shrimp siomai, and you usually eat this with fried chilies. So you can see this is the chilies that you put on top of each siomai, and then you pour the juice of the lemon, local lemon each, and you put the chilies on top. That's how the Filipinos like it. And this siomai is of course Chinese word. So we inherited the siomai from the Chinese. So you also have this with gulaman. Gulaman are pandan sugary drink. And I'm having here is the chicken sisig. I don't really fancy a lot of the pork sisig. I like the chicken one. Cooked in the same chilies, but it's in chicken with the salad papaya. And dong, kao na. And then you pour all the calamansi juice over. And for my side dish, I got this Japanese siomai. The difference is it's wrapped in this seaweed wrap. And I still have the same chili and calamansi. A lot of the Filipinos like the calamansis and chilies together. So that's the fried chili. You put it on top of the calamansi. And that's how we eat the siomai here. And also I got the same sugary drink. I will have to drink with water later. That's called the gulaman. And this is the sisig of the Filipinos. This is called the meal of sisig and siomai.